out here looking at this fan motor. This is what we've got on the inside. Basic old style fan motor. Any old style electric motor has a nice big old relay inside there to control the speed. Basically cleaning everything out inside. I've got some contact cleaner in there, cleaning everything out, cleaning out all the bearings and the bushings and everything. It'll control / contact cleaner and lubricant. Lubricate all the inside, clean the inside, and lubricate the shaft and see if that makes it better. Pulled it apart and oiled it and didn't do any good on it, so we're going to give it a more thorough cleaning here. Try again, make sure I can get the magnet in the right direction, and see if we can't get this fixed back up. This thing actually weighs more than the 1495 fan that I use in my bedroom on a daily basis. Thing's massive. Alright, I think I have figured out how they set the timing on this. I believe these 4 holes here line up with these 4 holes here, and if I am correct, then that's what sets the timing. And this is spinning considerably better than before. Before I couldn't even turn it by hand. Now it actually has a decent coast to it, so let's get this assembled and hope it doesn't catch fire. Alright, we've got everything back together. Control box back up in the corner, wires all mounted and run in through there. Everything back together on the back. And honestly, even just spinning it by hand, it just turns so much better than it has in a long time. Wow. That is such a major improvement. It's still turning. Wow. Well, let's plug it in and give it a go here. Alright. That wasn't a bad test. That actually spun up fairly quickly and really ran nice. And look at that spin down. Alright, let's try the real test. Start it on low. How well do you want to run on low for me? Oh, look at that. Look at that. Well, I am going to let it run on low for about half an hour. Check it periodically, see if the motor heats up. Last night running on low, after about 30-45 minutes it got borderline too hot to touch, so I want to see if that's going to cool it down or if it's going to keep getting hot. So let's see what it does. Now we've been running for half an hour and it is warm to the touch, but absolutely nowhere near where it was last night. And cycle everything through here. The switch, I tighten that up, that's working a lot better. Also got a new screw for the cage, so all 4 screws are present and accounted for. And it's ready for another 20 years of service.